Hello everyone, Wandering Gypsy Deb here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how I put together my minivan camper whose name is Scarlet Ovana. So we're going to go step by step from an empty van to a minivan camper. So let's get started. Okay, so here is our empty shell. As you can see, all the seats are down, and I have some of this padded gym mat, which is 24 inches by 24 inches, and I have 8 of those pieces to cover the floor and pad it so you don't feel those metal pieces, which let me show you what that is. These metal pieces that the seat connects to, and they're pretty painful on your knees. So I've got the gym mat all laid down. Okay, and we're going to go from this to this. First thing I'm going to do is install these new shelves. These are Space Keeper slim carts, except I didn't put the wheels on the bottom. And we're going to put those right over there on top of the cup holders. Okay, I've got the bungee cords hooked to the seat belts, as you can see. This is a tight fit. This is not going anywhere. Add a lot of shelving and storage space, and it fits perfectly above the cup holders in the back. I've got my Coleman Comfort Smart cot frame put in here, and I'm going to put my foam mattress on top. I don't use the mattress that came with it because it was too thin, so I got rid of that. So we're going to put the mattress on top, and then my bedding, and let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I've got my tri-fold mattress on the Coleman cot frame, some throw rugs down to keep the floor clean. My Stansport toilet is right there. Let me show you around the other side. This is just the basics right now. I still have to put some things on my shelves, which I'll show you later. Up there I have my horse bedding pine pellets for my porta potty. And this is the progress so far. Also, I have these bungee cords hooked to the frame of the bed here. And then I have it hooked to the frame of the front seat in the front. Okay, as you can see, I've got this bungee cord hooked to the seat belt back here, across this shelf onto this seat belt, and this thing is not going anywhere at all. It's very secure, and I love the extra storage. Okay, I'm ready to roll on my trip. I've got my Bouge RV 30-quart refrigerator here in the back. All my food for the next 3 days. Behind it, I have my Jackery, which is powering it, 500 watts. Here, I have this new cabinet, which opens on 5 different sides. It opens here on the front. I can get this with one hand. As you can see, inside I've got my tablecloth, my mini stove, my utensils in the plastic container, and my Hot Logic Mini. On this side, I have my plates, my fold-up sink, toiletry bag, and my shower bag. Have some extra paper towels in here just in case. And the doors close like this. There's a lock on the top and the bottom. You can also open it from the very top in case you can't access the front. Say you're on the bed and you want something in there, you can get it. And there's also a door on each side, which is pretty cool. As much as I like this cabinet, it's too deep. It's 18 inches. So I think I'm going to end up switching it to some smaller ones. There's my shelf. I've got my thermometer. I put this little chair in here that my husband had so I can sit down and watch TV. Over here, some toiletries, a little touch lamp. On this side, I have my folding chair. This crate has some odds and ends, butane, vinegar water, and my fire extinguisher. I always have that on the table when I'm cooking. And in these two bins here, I have my dry goods. Okay, so that concludes this side of the van. And there's my little fold-up chair. Thank you so much, Modern Day Pilgrim, for giving me that great idea. Up here, I have my metal strip to hang my divider curtain. Up front here, I don't have too awfully much. I have some extra water, soft drinks, and that's about it. And on this side, we have the Stansport camping toilet, which I absolutely love. It's just like a real toilet at home. I put a double 8-gallon bag in there. I pour some of the pine pellets in there, and then each time I use it, I add to it, and there is no odor at all. Okay, so that is about it. This is my new setup. I'm really enjoying it so far. Getting ready to go camping for 3 nights. Oh, whoops, I almost forgot to show you. I've got my 100-watt solar panel here for my Jackery to charge it up. And there it goes right there. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot, and it's free. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family if you think it's something that they may like. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.